Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, good morning, guys. Blessed love, good morning. It is that morning, you know. Oh, spider. Hey, get off my camera. I don't want to kill him. A spider fly right from me. I jump right from my camera. Right on my camera. Thank you. Guys, don't forget to check out the Esther smoothie. Yeah. Trust me, make it cool. Yeah, so check out the Esther smoothie to keep you calm and not moody. So guys, so basically we're going to head up to where the container is, you know, where they unload all the stuff them up by Garden Town roadside. So we're going to literally go up there to organize the stuff them because, you know, the stuff them is kind of get misplaced. Some of the box them that the stuff them came into damage as well too because of, you know, them say when the hurricane relief them was coming in, like some guns was coming in the country as well too. So them start to check every single thing that's literally coming in the country. You know, so they have to make sure they just make sure say everything will come, them tear it up left to right. So anything in our box get ripped up. So things is all over the place right now, all mixed up. So we're gonna head up there right now, you know. So we have some of the members them here. You know, we're gonna meet up with Tina and everyone as well from the two, you know, so we're gonna push out now. Come, you know. So we have Rasta Jackson here. We have Rasta Jackson here, and you know, we have Rasta Messi there. And we have 30 grand just run guy in them house. You know. We have Shayara is here. Shayara, say hello, man.
Hello.
Hello, you guys don't worry much, still come out here. We have Shakara, and Bumming ball in the vehicle. Bumming! Thank you for the smoothie. And there's 30 grand over there. If you feel moody, just check Esther, it will keep you coolly. Yeah man, Esther have everything in the car, rubbish pan too. Ah, yeah. What go on with the season? Yeah. Eh? Got the push out, man.
Push out.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so you know the thing, so we're gonna head right out now. Guys, Esther is driving. Driver! You ready, driver?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you just wash it. Wash it again. Wash it again. Yeah, one thing with Jamaica, they might even just wash a vehicle, especially when it's black.
Yeah, God,
sorry for you.
I look at it like it never washed yet.
Yeah, like it's never been washed. Trust me. Sorry guys, so we're gonna head up to Garden Town Road. That's where the warehouse is. You know, so we're gonna see what I want. So stay tuned. And that's up my Cranberry them side too.
Let me see what I want.
My road man! Yo!
Yeah, that's it! We over yonder, yo.
Energy, we over yonder.
Yo, this is my road, man. Yo! Energy! Rasta Jackson! You know! Yeah, man.
Yo, when the man say energy, I want to bar go wake us up.
I want to come on for that time.
Yeah, go to the road.
Yeah, when I want to road too much, you know. Yeah, man, I want Jackson, you know it. Jackson, I want the other. Energy! Jackson, you know. Big up Kino life in Jamaica. Big up the whole team. Yo, God and God alone. You know. Energy.
We're not going to tarry, you know, because we wait for one car behind me.
My general, I'm not tarry, but we're going to catch another day. You know, so we're up in the hills.
Yeah, we're dealing with something, man.
Yeah, man, dealing it and forward because you know my own man dealing it.
Esther, pull up here.
Esther worries,
man. Go through the traffic and everything, and then Esther behind us in the car, so you know we can't make anybody get any tickets, so we couldn't stop. So married man, we think we're gonna link again differently. You get some of that energy. When the man say energy, you see the frequency bar and this, it go red. That means that over pitch. Where the man voice.
Go lick it up, go higher.
Alright guys, so we are on the journey right now. So here at the storeroom. So I'm going. Oh, that truck can work. Oh, you want to come up? Don't take her, right? Wow. What else is there? Are you going to talk to? Yeah. You know GPS people go all the way up, so? Yeah. Wow. All mix up and blend up. Tina!
Good morning!
Morning!
How are you, Kino?
I'm good.
Praise God.
Praise God every time.
Dream team! Good to see you guys. Woo! Good to see you guys. Nice meeting you again. Ladies on the dream team. Good to see you again. Welcome.
Ready?
To our missing warehouse.
Yeah, man. Good day. Wow.
Well, yeah, wow. We unloaded all of these off the the container yesterday. And of course, you know, it comes through custom all crumpled up and
everything crumbled
it
up.
was very hard to lift this off and out. I can put these embroidered. Okay, put it on the thing. So this is So, but you can take a look through.
Wow.
And see what is what. I said the clothes.
So this is all the clothes, right?
These are all the clothes here that not necessarily, you know what I mean, for to share. So this is why I said it's going to take some time for us to organize it. Only thing we were able to organize was the wheelchair. As they came off, I had the guys just put them there, park them there. We have swimming pool there for the children. If you want to take some pools for the children, there's plenty of pools. There's plenty of clothes. These are bedding and things that are going to certain hospitals, diapers. Put it in threes. We got some bumpers. Somebody donated some bumpers. Actually, this came from Claretta's outreach ministry in Orlando, Florida, and she donated all these boxes of bumpers. So inside of them, there's six of those, 6 of each. So she donated those. You've got some books here, Kino, and you've got items there.
This is the Wow Chef TV.
Yes, man, that's your TV.
Wow Chef TV from them times.
So these two TV are yours. One is yours, got your name on it, and then this one is going to be for the center. Right, or however you see fit to, you know. I was packing care packets here before I was interrupted.
Oh, so these are the care package.
Harrell.
Oh, so these are the care package they've been packing.
No.
Black beans them in them. Ooh, so these are the rice and flour.
5 to 5 inside.
These are the waters and things. Esther. So this is the wheelchair over here. This is Miss Gracie. Miss Gracie chair. Miss Gracie scooter. This is Miss Gracie scooter.
Big man over so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Joe.
Scooter this. This is a scooter, Miss Gracie. And this is all the wheelchairs them as well too. Ooh.
Kino for a long time.
Whole heap of walkers as well too. So these are the pooling, the kids pooling. These are the kids pool, Tina. Big one and small one. Yeah. When I take the water, I take some of them. Only some. Because the best thing what we can do is, Tina, we just organize.
That's what I was saying to you this morning, remember?
Yeah.
I said that's why I said I can do it when I come back. I will start to organize it for you because I know how chaotic it was here.
Yeah.
Because, you know, so that's why I said those bags over there, yes, I was sorting, putting it in there. But that's when you said you were supposed to get all of it. I said to you, I'm packing it so that you can just, all you say, here, mommy, here's a bag. It's already sorted for you.
Out,
Right, and remember I said to you that the rice, it's a 50-pound bag of rice. I don't know if you saw it there. We can give each person two pound each, or whatever you think is the appropriate. Because it came in bulk. Yeah. Is it what, 50 or 25 pounds?
The flour, how much this?
I don't even know. 50 pounds.
50 pounds.
Right. So you give that 2 pounds each. So that's what I had wanted to do for you, was to
do all that.
Put it together. That's why I said if you wanted to take it to do that, you're welcome to. But when we come back the following week, we'll be doing that. The rice, we'll have lots of rice. We put it together. Sugar.
Okay.
I will take it out there.
I will take it out. And the care package them is already, you already start them already.
I started these care packages to put together. So they're going to go to the various communities chosen. And inside of the care packets, we have pasta donated by Claretta's Outreach Ministry as well. We got the Rotary donated some. We got peas. We got peas again.
Black beans.
We got black beans, sorry.
Yeah.
Sausage, mackerel, and they're supposed to get a can of tuna in each one as well.
Yeah. And the rice and the flour
and the rice and the flour, the beans, right? So they're all here in the thing. They haven't been sorted out yet. You know what I mean? And we have all of this, and then you have the ones then in the cases here that has.
Same way. Yeah,
but thank you for coming though, because we're very appreciated to see you.
Of course. So we can see.
Anything to welcome the dream team, but we're here.
So alright, so the best thing I think.
Can give them 2 bottles of water each in each bag.
In each bag,
that
right?
You're taking. Deconstruct it because
Yeah.
But we're here to work with you as well. Whatever you see fit. We have food containers as well, but we haven't located the lids yet.
Yeah. So basically, Esther. Yeah.
This humidifier for the hospital?
No, for
Kino? Oh,
like
yeah,
if you have any baby down
humidifier.
Oh, this is for the asthma?
Yes.
Yeah, asthma.
And
baby.
Oh, it's only for baby?
It's for children. So what you can do to Kino is like if anybody like need like having an attack or something, if you keep it in a central area and then need to just make sure you clean it after each use.
Okay.
Right? So you can like
okay, so so it's only when them having like the asthma attack
or stuff like that.
Put this
it's a
over.
nebulizer, yeah.
Okay, let's put this over the mouth.
Yes.
Okay. Because Miss Shami was telling me about this.
Yes.
As well too. Nebulizer.
So right now, also there is a lady that was supposed to get a wheelchair, I believe. Did you see your famous slushie machine?
No, I don't see it.
Come on, let's go look
Esther,
at it.
go look at your famous slushie machine, Esther. The famous slushie machine. And we call it the air fryer. You find that yet? You found that?
The air fryer was down there in a box with, it was down there. We have 2 air fryers here. One here, but that's not that one. There's another one here.
Yeah, my name is on the air fryer still.
Yeah, so you can look on that box because that one came from.
So this is the machine. Wow.
That came from Dr. Spence, that air fryer.
That one?
Yes, but this is your machine. It came in a hard box, but when we got it off the container, this is what it looked like.
Look like.
So I'm not sure why custom removed the hard box. Meaning
Maybe they were searching because what them said them found.
Weapons of
Yes.
unethical group of people shipped weapons, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But
Oh, that's that big man. It's really
it's gonna
big.
do great work for the community.
Big. Yes, very great.
Have you seen the air fryer? Kino has an air fryer.
Guys, so the best thing then what we can do, we can literally just
The books for trench town.
the books them as well.
Yes, the book's there, and I showed them.
Yes,
but somewhere here there's an air fryer.
But because I want to take a picture with the Global Alliance.
Yeah.
Where you're giving them the books, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna go down to Mandeville and then come back up and then we can
When they coming back?
next week.
Oh, next week. So you come back when Tina come back, right?
No, I'm not going nowhere. I'm coming back up from Mandeville. When you going to St. Westmoreland?
Because basically we can try to organize these stuff. Yeah. Just take this one early, put some more stuff in them. We have the flour and the rice. We can bag these out, and I got some donation as well. We can buy some more stuff and just bring them down there.
Okay, so when you're going to Westmoreland, you can probably get me from Mandeville.
From Mandeville.
And then I'll go to Westmoreland with you.
Oh yeah, because it's on the way, right?
Yeah,
it's
so
on the
see
way.
the air fryer there.
Okay, all of this was in this box, so I'm assuming Kino, this is a box.
Yeah.
I just look and it says, where is it? Because I know there was, somebody said there's an air fryer.
Yeah. So that's coming as well too. That's a blanket someone could
Yes,
get.
that came. Yes, somebody donated a blanket.
They will need this down in. Cause this is all the clothes as well, Esther. We're gonna need for you to organize to bring. See it here. It's the air fryer.
Should come back with something.
Well, this coming in the box still. These coming in the box.
So yeah, you're paying that is.
See the air fryer is there. So so there's shoes and there's clothes. And what I really want. The best thing we do is this: the clothes them are in our storeroom.
Get rid of them.
Get rid of them first. And then we'll use and they will organize these ones first.
Yeah, makes sense.
So we could say if we could have put some more stuff in them care package, yeah? Some thin stuff. How much bag is this? You have more of these bags?
How much back? 27. I'm going to give you 30.
30. You have any more spare ones?
We're going to use them for the other areas.
Yeah.
So this is all. That's why I said we don't.
This is all you have for now? These bags?
Sort. Yeah. I haven't finished going
So
yet.
you can go the 30.
Oh yeah, I forgot about prices.
So you're gonna give you 30 of these and then some more stuff, but then you can put them in scandal bag or however you do it. But these are just for this.
Yeah.
No, not scandal, because we're gonna give you a bag of the flour, a bag of the sugar, and a bag of the, and you just.
No, I'm talking about because him saying have some more stuff that you can pack in container in different bags.
No, he's talking from here. Because we're going to pack them for you with everything.
We'll get some of these Dream Team. Q1 is Dream Team.
Correct, you can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could do that. Or maybe when I go up, I can get
You
a sticker. You just stick it on it.
Yeah, okay, like we have Q1 is here.
Just send me the logo.
The logo.
And I'll see if I can get it printed for you.
Yeah.
I have a guy that can print it.
Yeah. We can have them done.
So in here now, they still have to get like 2 now.
Alright, so what we can do is like with them here, can make them go and just help pack some stuff, put in the bags them there.
Yeah, because you don't want to have to take out stuff that's already in it.
So the whole thing I left we do is bag out the flour, bag out the cornmeal,
right,
and the rice.
And the rice, right. So take the biggest rice down there, because that's 25, that may be 50, right, at the bottom? Yeah.
We're going to buy some more stuff differently. So Shara, Esther, say we can just put some more thin stuff.
We can put up some baked beans, because these are the beans.
Baked beans. Shaka, come in book. So here we don't want to put duplicate.
Actually, you can, yeah. Right there's.
We can check we're in there already.
Ramen noodle thing.
Which one? In there?
You can put one in each one too.
And there's bully beef up here. 30 grand. Take up a case of bully beef right there. And put two water in the bag them as well.
Take one of the case, because I have to go to other places. That's why this is going somewhere else.
Okay.
But go ahead.
Oh, these was going somewhere else?
Yes.
Which area?
Some is going to Mandeville, some is going to St. Elizabeth, and some is going to Draxall. They haven't gotten theirs yet.
Okay, so who's going to do the distribution?
The group.
Oh, they have a group already going to do it?
Yes, they're going to do it. Yeah.
Okay.
When I come back. That's why I wanted it to make sure it was organized before. And there's can of soup. Them can get a can of soup in that.
Okay. Shakara, some can of soup. Yeah.
There's some soup.
Can of soup in there already?
No, I didn't put any soup in there yet. So this, because I had them soup, vegetable, around me.
Yeah. I'm going to put two water in the bag them. Green peas and stuff. How much ramen? So some bag here as well to have stuff in it, right? Some bag there. And also, who did contact me about wheelchairs? you know, you can also reach out back to me because the wheelchairs them are here. So I don't remember who did ask me for the wheelchair. So if you can please reach out back to me, you know, so I can literally give you guys the wheelchair that you did ask for, you know, because they're here now. So like what they're here now, you know, you can get wheelchair. And we also got pools as well too, you know, that we can get pool as well too for the kids then, you know, to swimming. And especially in the country areas in that don't got water, you can also store water in them as well too. So anything you want to do, you can also do it with them also, you know. So we're gonna prepare some care package here, you know. I'm gonna say my mom as well to send out some pallets as well to with food, and we haven't received that as yet, you know. So because you know WAP is kind of backed up, so literally we're gonna wait until time that sorted out as well. You know, so these are what we're gonna start out right now, you know, so we can actually get them on the go, you know. The pampers them, you think we should test some baby pampers as well too?
So those diapers that you see
The
there
diapers.
are going to the hospitals.
Okay, the hospital.
The ones where you see share up is 3 different hospitals right there.
Okay, okay.
And that's all the diapers that's to come. So, yeah.
So basically this now is for the
Yeah, so
hospitals.
this is the bedding for the hospital, the bumpers for the
Yeah.
bed. That's what that is. The bumpers.
So which hospital you be? Karen.
And some are going to the Bethlehem Children Home. Those beddings are going around there. We visited them yesterday.
Yeah.
And we saw the condition.
Where's that one?
Oh gosh, I was driven, so I'm not quite sure. But it's here in Kingston
Oh, it's in
somewhere.
Kingston.
Yes, and the children that are there are the ones that were abandoned by their family. They're severely handicapped.
Okay,
It's
okay.
not a beautiful sight, but I'm glad that there are individuals there that are caring for them, and they cannot walk, talk.
Or anything
You know,
like that.
those children, a lot of them have cerebral palsy,
Yeah.
things like that. They're babies, but they're adults still a lot of times too.
Yeah.
So they were saying to us that in the cribs that they're in, they bump against it because they don't have any bumpers. And just by chance, Florida's outreach ministry donated all these bumpers. So it worked out perfect. So,
perfect.
but as we said, these are what
We're working with now, right?
we're working with now, yes.
And when we come back, we can just try to
Yes, when we
sort out
come
the
back, we
clothes.
try to sort out the clothes because this facility closes at 5 and no one is permitted after 5
After
to come
5.
to this building. Yes, yes.
So these are lots of clothes.
Very much a lot of clothes, people from all over. We drove quite a bit of it from Orlando as well. An individual Sunrise, the entire state of Florida was very, very giving.
Yeah.
You know, we may not come together all the time, but we're very compassionate and giving team.
The pool, we can do the distribution of the pool when you come back.
Yeah,
Because
we
if
haven't given any to anyone. We're not even quite sure about the pools, but I'm sure children would be happy to use the pool.
because they're gonna need them in
We
there.
thought
as well.
about water for encatchment to catch
Watch
water,
it.
things like that. Yes.
'cause this
I'm
is-
gonna leave you now.
Okay, this is Mr. Barnes from
Draxfall.
Oh,
Kiwanis
Draxall.
Club of Draxall.
Okay, big up.
Yes.
Good to see you.
Yes.
Next week when you come back, I'll come pick up the wheelchairs. You hear?
Okay, sir. All right.
Thanks a million, darling.
You're welcome.
Keep on working hard.
Thank you.
We love you.
Oh, thank you so
All
much.
right.
Thank you. We love you too. Appreciate you.
So guys, so one whole heap of clothes. Oh my days. So guys, so this is all the stuff them came because of they have to search the box and pull them up because of they've been selling unnecessary stuff. Chew, the WAV through the relief. So you know what caused the problem because of that. So. Yeah, some of these are ready.
So those are all wheelchairs.
Oh, in the bags. Guys, we have one whole heap of wheelchairs. Yeah. No, this are good.
No, from different areas.
Wonderful.
Only because it don't have like but like if you want a Kino, like a personal, that's different.
Yeah.
It's not enough to go around.
Yeah, I understand. This one. Not bad, it's easy.
So just tell me when is it that you need to get the team together so they come back so they can sort it.
Hold it on the back. Don't hold the car in it. Just hold it. Rest it at the edge. Just rest it at the edge. Just. Take the card off for this. Hold on, I got it down. Esther! Hold on. Come here. You don't need a foam on it? Yeah, because the foam I go. Yeah. Come on, put it on the side. Go. Right? Yeah. And the foam with the brother. And so we're going to put it there. It's there right there. That's what was that help putting it in. And help putting it in.
So listen, who's gonna get the first slushie?
Well, Esther said me.
Show us now.
Yeah.
You get your first slushie.
The first slushie. Alright then, so.
That is a beautiful machine. Yeah.
Don't it? Alright, come Jack.
Kino, we can get the barrels.
Huh?
We can get the barrels.
Of course.
That's a beautiful machine.
Yeah. That's the language.
Juice can't come out there.
I bring the care package in there now. I bring out the care package here. Oh, so we can slide the two TV them in this. Two TV them can slide in this. Oh, the air fryer. I'm gonna take it out the box. Yeah, yeah. Yeah?
Sorry about this.
Wow Chef TV that. Say, you know what? I was doing it to the Wow Chef at the time. So this one now is going to the center over by Dini Dread.
No, go on.
No, just shoot it upstairs, man. Jackson, show up that same here. So take up one of them. One of these. The flour. Take up one of the flour. Oh, that's like calm in. Yes, I go on with that. No, put the flour first, like the flour got bigger.
One of each bag, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jackson, put this long way right there, sir. Yeah, so. So guys, so basically we're just packing these for now, you know, for the time being, you know. So I'm gonna say we're gonna organize a bus, you know, to carry all this stuff then when we're going to the countryside, you know, with the care packages. What's that, the rice? You take up the corn, yeah?
Yeah, take up the corn.
You need sugar. You need sugar. Take a
You
sugar.
take the corn in already?
Yeah.
You took it, but take a sugar, right?
The sugar, you can take another.
Boom. Just leave the care package. I make them deal with that. The ladies them deal with that one. You take up one of that flour.
And take up another flour.
Another flour.
And one of the sugar.
Eh? Yeah, you have to go buy the pound bags. The air fryer.
Oh, do you get it?
They put the air fryer in this here. Guys, I'm telling you, the work is not done.
Right here, okay.
Okay. This
was your box.
Yeah.
So put Kino on it. So
But these, we can make these stay.
Okay.
We can make these. So we're going to come and organize
This goes
these.
with this.
Yeah.
So bedding setting up for a child and a shoes and
Yeah.
okay.
So we're going to make these stay here.
All right, no problem.
Because no one else is going to come back in here till when you guys come back anyway. So these can stay as well. So this is for the kids.
Yeah.
Oh, it's light.
All right. So I'm gonna put these back in.
Yeah, put it.
All right.
See. Ninja.
A ninja?
Mm-hmm.
I took my ninja trick here, and I like. So that's it. Till when again?
We're gonna wait till when Tina come back. Alright guys, because basically, you know, because of Tina and Eddie, you know, the president have to leave, but they're gonna come back a week and a half. So when they come back now, we can organize the rest of the stuff. You know, so we already have some donation. We're going to buy some more stuff to put with what we have to take down to country, to Westmoreland, to give out this care package. And then we'll start to organize what we can organize from there, you know. Guys, you can see we got a lot of work to get done, you know, and we thank Tina already for coming. I say Kiwanis and the Sunrise team and the Dream team who making it work, you know. And we have the pools them over there, we have to organize that as well. We have the wheelchairs them and the walkers. You know, we got so much more work here, all the clothes
A lot more work to do.
and all these boxes and everything to organize, you know. So
You know, she gonna tell you.
Who's that?
Charmaine.
okay, Miss Charmaine is on the line.
Hey, Miss Charmaine.
So we have toothbrush, wipes. One for the car. Put one more one for the car. Pick up one for the car there.
This is mine.
I know say we should have really packed something Cranberry them, you know. Like some food stuff, and I would have so close we could have drop it off. To go up by Cranberry them. I wonder. Alright guys, so we're gonna pack a quick bag as well for Cranberry and family like her with this close. So we're gonna make them get some rice, some thin stuff, you know, so gonna pack some things. Hey, what is as well? Cranberry. Yeah.
We're coming here with our watermelon.
Eddie, so you're gonna come back as well to with Tina? Okay. Alright, Tina. Alright, so I'm gonna run. Go drop off this stuff, the Cranberry and family, and head back to Churchtown. Thank you so much.
I wish I could have met them, but send my regards. Hopefully
when they come back, we're not far, you know.
Really?
Yeah, so when they come back, basically we go up a bit more.
Yeah.
Downtown and they will turn left.
Yeah.
But when they come back, we can just make that visit when they come back.
Yes, I would definitely, and I will pack something special for Cranberry.
Yeah,
and the
so we
family.
can get them some clothes and stuff.
Absolutely.
When they come back.
Definitely.
You know, so have a safe flight.
Yes, Kino.
You know,
thank you.
and I'll see you when you get back.
All right. Say hello to mom.
Yes.
Say hello to mom for me.
I will. Which one of the moms? I got two moms.
The mom that came in here.
Okay, my mommy Michelle. So tell her, so mommy Michelle.
Hey, mommy Michelle. I can't wait to meet you. Peace and blessings.
So she will be here when you get back.
Perfect.
So when you get back, we can also come because she's waiting on some stuff to reach as well because she sent some pallets of food.
Praise God.
So it's getting backed up as well too.
Yes, yes, and the need is so great.
Yes, so great. So, alright then guys, so anyway, we're gonna head to Miami River, drop off this stuff and then back to Trenchtown, and then we have to start out this stuff now to head to Westmoreland to drop them off also, you know. So we say Kiwani, Sunrise team, Dream team, we're making it work, you know. Pick up Eddie himself, the president, the guys. So anyway, go back on the journey. Alright then. Carol, alright then. Take care, yeah?
Alright, bye, Kino. Yeah. Remember to call me when you're going down.
Yeah. Cool, no? Thing good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Eh?
We see them in there and try to pull over.
Packed and ready to go.
Come.
You know, say one of the things, you know, I try this for come at the only two.
What?
This drain the liquid.
Well, the sun is out. The sun is out. The river is a bit clear. The river is a bit more clearer. Water more clear. Washing. Them that school? Eh? Okay. Yeah, it's still not too clear, it's kind of brown same way. Yeah. Kind of brown. We bring some stuff for you. What then? Alright. Come now. Closer way to what, Jackson, right there, son. Pass it, Jack. Pass it up. Hey, what is it? Come on. Come, Kenisha, come tank them now. So we can move. Kenisha do the regular washing by the river. Go on. I'm a general, big up now. We have Shara and Esther over there and Shakara. So we'll go clean up these. The river is not crystal clear. You can still look at brown in it, but I think it's good enough because people is coming from around the other side. So I guess they were swimming. Yeah. So people still swimming even though it's not so clear. So I guess it's not bad to swim at this moment. You know? I guess it's really not so bad to be swimming now. Oh, we have to wait till the pool get prepared back and all those good things there. A long time we don't wash off. I can't wash off now because Melissa messed up everything. You, Melissa. That's why no man no want you.
Melissa come here for disease.
Yes. You're the only woman no man no want, Melissa. You come. I said 30 gonna drop already. Yo.
Yeah, drop.
Weak.
Step up good.
It's weak in the knees. He's very weak in the knees, you know.
Them healer, man.
He's very weak in the knees. Melissa, yeah, that's what I say, Melissa. No man, no one, yo. I come to Jamaica and feel like I can find no man. And try not get no man. You try for this try our country. And then go about your business. No man, no one, yeah, Melissa.
No man, no one, Melissa.
Oh. Outside. Go outside with some clothes. On the corner side right now. So I charge you with some work. One thing. This is charge you look a farm, guys. So it's a charge I do him look a farming. So him clear out these place to start the farm. So him start to plant his, I think this is pop chow. Him have sucker there. And all of these places, so it's good. So him can do some farming, you know. Grow him food. Eat what you grow. So that's what Charlie is doing. Eating what he grows.
You can bread them in the field. I make saving pan with it, but a chippy.
You can bread them that school.
Yeah, them at school.
No. So let me say them must go to school now. Must.
About 3 o'clock them a come because Cranberry have extra lessons, so the whole of them just walk come up set time.
Okay.
But I normally go pick them up. So
Charge
by 3 o'clock just walk go down there.
Oh, go on. It's been a while.
Yeah.
A very long while. Very, very long. Everything.
Boy, man, go back down after I storm, Kino, I see our uncle down there.
I tell me.
The foot, where were they used?
Amputate him,
yeah.
They want amputate the foot.
Yeah, but the blood, the blood not strong, so somebody that will come.
Yeah.
Me a price man come give blood. The amount of something I tell them, man. The amount of something I tell them, brother.
Yeah, so them stay.
So I ask them if him not pick me or him friend them foot for cut off.
So them stay and rope tell you about cut, everything them tell you cut.
So them said infected.
In the same part of me tell you when they got trouble.
Yeah.
The best someone.
And them
got the next part well, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And the next part when they got trouble, I tell you, so they got dig out underneath it, them have to just cut out the top.
And they got dig out close to your ankle, you say ankle bone, you say, right?
Yes, so the whole like
that's why, man.
And you see how you so then cut you know. Run the whole around the side heal up you know.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And they must say you have to amputate the leg.
Yeah,
to
they
save
put
you.
amputate.
You need that.
I have a blood count, your blood count of over 10 for the foot can amputate.
So what them say it low?
The blood count no they are 10, they are 7. Somebody to give me blood. Well, so what them are saying, you're mad man.
So what them say now after that, when you tell them thing, you still have to do it?
Do what?
They make it come out.
They're supposed to see all the foot. When we tell them that the Wednesday, Thursday, come and do that Thursday, I'm going to send the doctor back and look for me Thursday, you know. And the Friday now, then come look and then move me carry me a ward.
Oh.
And then they start them, so then come discharge. But when discharge, so I ask him, so when they cut back the foot, so you know, you discharge me, so how it go?
Yeah.
I tell me, boy, them go keep check up on it, so when I go on Monday, I have to go back down there Tuesday.
Oh.
So,
I'm
go down there one time, the Tuesday, I go back down there Monday, on the 24th. I go back down there, I go on town and safe time. So I go back to UC. Because if the doctor go on town, tell me, say, more for leave, stop follow up UC. As a doctor.
I tell you that.
The clinic go up, I go on town, doctor tell me.
Say if you want, you have to leave UC alone.
Yeah, so them say everything them tell you about cut, because be a young doctor.
Yeah, so UC that school, supposed to go down and public. Chest.
Yeah, because public is a bit distance away from you still.
Yeah, but I never know say chest. I think chest is just I never know say chest is a hospital where do the same thing like public same.
Yeah, yeah. So you have to start go there then?
Where that she tell me say
I don't have to recommend you.
Yeah, she recommend, yeah.
Yeah.
I used to ask them. The eye will see and we should give me something. She give me a recommendation for go public with the eye.
With the eye?
Yeah.
Yeah. So boy, you hear that guys? Imagine, yeah? And them are the one cut the man foot in the first place when it never needed to get cut, you know. Yeah. Come here, say get cut 3 times.
3 times.
Since the last time get cut, 3 times get cut. You know?
Yeah,
and then no.
Of
Of course, because I must the thing they heal up, you know. And just because you ring your foot down there, so. And that. Just because. Yeah. Because I remember so the foot they heal up, you know. And when he was crossing the rock down there, kind of ring him foot. So they kind of swell up, so they feel pain. So now when they go to the doctor now, they not see anything what they want to see. But they decide say because they're not seeing it, what they want to see, they're going to cut it to really see what's inside of it because it's all healed up. So they cut a diabetic patient, you know, that's a fresh womb, you see me? So you know so that's liable for any infection or anything at all. So that's what happened, got infected, and it cut another 2 times after that 1 time there, or 3 times after the first time there.
Would that be 2 times?
2 times. 2 times after the first time. So that's within the space of time whenever they're in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So you see that within the space of time I was in Jamaica, the man get another 2 cut. Hurricane. Yeah. So the best thing in us try to go a different doctor. But they drop off some stuff where
Yeah, we start take the pill them and start take after 5 days.
Which one you take?
The capsule them start.
Okay, well, the wormwood?
Yeah.
The wormwood, right? And you have the I wind that again. The wormwood
the detox.
and the detox. Okay, so after the wormwood you take the detox. Yeah. And then the blood purifier in the morning. Yeah. So I just them 3 that alone in the bag?
Yeah.
Alright, so I can tell Yaya, because Yaya don't want, you never remember one while they give me. So you can take the worm out now, and then now after the worm out, after 7 days he's gonna take the detox. You know, that's the colon cleanse.
Yeah.
Like colon cleanse, right?
Colon cleanse, right?
And the small buckle, right?
Yeah, chill
Yeah. Let me see how which one. Let me see so we can know how which one. Yeah, so with that now, at least I will get back on track. So I will give back the womb now, the thing I'm putting at the cut, you know, for kind of heal it up back and the dropper that they give him to take as well too. And the tea for him that drink as well also for the womb. So these are the purifier, the colon cleanse and the detox. So this is a take?
No, I'm gonna start taking this.
Okay.
Capsule.
Okay. And pill them. So after the pill, that you take?
This.
No, colon cleanse. Yeah. After the 7 day, and this are 1 go. Yeah. So you take. Yeah, 2. Me I take a lot of 4 I take. 4. Yeah. Because the treatment have to start all over. And I ain't depend on any antibiotics, right? I remember him say it's 2 hours away from any pharmaceutical drug. Let me see the Okay, this is after the enzyme. Oh, so the nature bioenzyme. Let me see if I can get to the area now. All the signals still up here. No phone now, right?
No, the line not because I'm not all up there, you know.
You have to go down
No,
on
just a
the
digital chip in it, I just a line phone, but a digital chip in it, but now I pick up crack. I'm going to pop in there with hope.
Now when I ring up here, this is a line. I ring up here. Yeah. Blessed. Greetings. You know, I'm there with charge here now. I say I'm there here with charge now, you know. Yeah. And the stuff them where they give in the bag are the nature bioenzyme. And the colon cleanse. The known detox. And the blood purifier. It started the bioenzyme. No, because remember I said true, we never get to see him, so we tell him what to do with it. So you should have to take first the colon cleanse. Okay, so him say colon cleanse if you take. But him say one of the bioenzyme him that taking us 1 capsule. They're not doing no justice. Yeah. So like Or the bioenzyme two times a day. In the morning and before him go in bed.
Yeah, man.
And that's before a meal or after a meal? Before the meal. And then when the man go in bed after him last meal.
Yeah.
So this you take 2 of this a morning before a meal. And 2 when you go to bed after. But so him should take the colon cleanse tonight then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so take the colon cleanse tonight, 4 hours after your last meal.
Yeah.
And then him take he give the noon detox.
Yeah.
So when him should take the noon detox?
I take 2 every morning.
Okay, so every morning I take 2 instead of that. You know, the small cup. Yeah. With the blood purifier, right?
Yeah.
With the blood purifier, so 2 of them. So with the blood purifier and that, 2 for the small cup. So the colon cleanse you can take it from tonight. Isn't it? Eh? Yes. Alright. So yeah. Oh. Yeah. Alright then, so him say from the eye drops down him eye get back worse for him. Yeah, can I say fine. Talk to him quick and fast then. Just give him a TikTok.
Yeah. Yeah, bless every general.
So tell them say him cut it 2 times and they put it
No, so then cut back all the foot again after the storm. The fresh boy part then go dig out then cut again. Say they never cut back my foot right, you know, I could have put on my shoes here now. And I cut them well a different cut then cut again. Just what I said, the bad, underneath it's the thing that them have to take it out, all type of thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Them don't believe in all this, them don't believe in all this, and you will know that, and you will go out and have to ban them, look at it, the fuck are you?
True, man.
Because they don't believe in nature.
Science and believe in it. They don't believe in nature, brother. Most of them doctor and some of them, they don't believe in nature, science.
Yeah, man, that's the whole thing, man. That's the whole thing, man. Yeah. More, yeah.
Yeah, alright then, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you will see a big training them back. Them come like a school where them go to train.
Alright guys, so Charlie spoke to Yaya, so you know what to do now from this. I know so well. You get that close for them almost cut off him leg. So you know the direction from now. So here I have some stuff for you, Charlie. Listen. You know that a white rice I don't feel really for you neither, you see me? Yeah. Come take them here. Take these. This is the rice, can I rest it there so? And these are some stuff. Have some tin stuff in there and something, you know. And we'll pack because the container will come in, we'll just pack these things outside from the Sunrise team and the Kiwanis, you know.
The Kiwanis and the Sunrise team, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never empty.
Start it.
Yeah, the Kiwani team and the
Sunrise team and the Kiwanis.
Team, give thanks again, man. Thanks and blessing, man.
Yeah, man. So Charge, as I say, 2 of them there. You see me, I say 2 in the morning and 2 before you go to bed.
Yeah, man.
That. So tonight you can take the colon cleanse before you go to bed.
Yeah.
And then now,
start them thing.
Yeah, the detox and the. So right now we just show them say, yeah, they go heal. You know, so them have to cut out about dead meat.
Come back up there again.
Yeah. I'm tired of them now, brother. Because imagine if you tell them, say, yo, alright, then cut it off. Jesus, I'm crying.
Mother, Fred charge you up here, Fred, man.
Imagine that.
Charge you, me know charge you. Because right now, for you, I have 1 foot to deal with up here. So, we have our 2 foot then.
And the struggle. I imagine him with 1. No, sir. Charge you know where it goes then, you know.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Yeah. Alright, Kensha, later.
May I continue wash?
Yeah. Yeah, so you could have crossed, that's the way easier. Dynamite can go and stay, man. Yeah, your dog go and relax.
You nah let him, man. Whoever them go each up there.
Shahara, you know, you see them rocky. Shahara, welcome to Mama River.
Rocky River.
This is the Rocky Road. Yeah. See that lever there, so no water now reach over there. Gravity taking over. Gone. But I need to jump off, see that? So imagine the big stone over there, so. Okay, watch what the video is when folk jump off, right? Yeah, man. Yeah. But I'm saying I eat the stock yesterday and I make you know. Another one there. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back down in Trenchtown now. You know, and get this stuff put away, you know, and get some more flour and rice and get some tin stuff, you know, and make some more care packages so we can take them down into Westmoreland, you know, and go and drop them off, you know. So I'm gonna head to an area that I spent a lot of my summer holiday growing up, you know, when I was young, and whenever I go to the countryside I always go. I got family down in Westmoreland, you know, so it's fair enough for me to go and give them back some aid where it's needed, you know, and any help we can give, any assistance to anyone else, then we can also do that as well too, you know, because, you know, the help is truly needed. So, Oh. So you see them, the care package they mister? We can put them in a storeroom upstairs. So let's head back down in Trenchtown now, guys. Let's head back.
Hey, what's there?
See you, man?
Yeah!
Nana.
But school don't look so.
Yeah, go on. So now, Toko.
That's where party them I come from.
Oh, what's school?
We got it already.
Good, school good? Being a good girl.
Yeah, it's a couple of small.
You eat the sweet to them. Eat the sweet to them. Tara, eat the sweetie. Cranberry.
Big nose.
Leave some stuff up there for you, yeah? And please don't done them in one day.
So who up there, my mother?
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
So I'll see you tomorrow.
That's what I say, you're not come tomorrow.
What?
Then,
Let me not come tomorrow. Not come tomorrow.
No, yeah, Musa, no.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, give me now.
Is it no? Don't confuse.
Yeah, boy.
Guitar, please.
Yeah, later.
Later, okay?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm just coming from school, guys. Just. Whoa, you know?
Oh, yeah, man, you know?
Whoa, Basley, you know?
Genetic, man, you know?
Yeah.
Short sit on, you know?
Wow. And Viv, know your size, man.
Yeah, man, you see Angie, yeah, man.
Viv.
I eat and give, yeah, man, I eat, man.
Yeah.
So that's and give, man.
Think of yourself, Viv.
Yeah.
So the key, yeah?
Yeah, man.
To your new apartment.
Yes, man, you see it?
Yeah.
Straight.
To your new apartment.
So you know apartment now, I may have the key.
Yeah.
So you don't know, you see me? You see me?
Yeah.
So when I'm a baby, I mean I go up there, you see me, I say?
Yeah, guys.
Real, man.
So guys, so we should get the key for the new apartment.
Yeah, man.
You know where it goes already.
Yeah, man.
So I make you open the door for the new apartment.
Yeah, so I you know.
Yeah, what me? The new apartment. Yeah, living good, whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See that, Mr. Man?
Yeah, a giant, man. Yeah, man. You know
take it down, yeah, man.
Blue.
Yeah. One whoa. Yeah.
Yeah, man, next year World Cup, Italy not qualifying, Jamaica gonna make it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, can watch World Cup, you know. So, Nick, man, you see me, I say?
So this is the TV, I'm tell you something.
Yeah, man.
Somebody give me.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, man, give it to you.
Chef, yeah.
Yeah, so you that.
Yeah, man.
You know, big up the Sunrise team also.
Sunrise, my team, man. You know, Miss Jamaica, you don't know for you, Miss Jamaica, you know who, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see Sunrise nurse, love for you know. Yeah, man, you see me, I say, so you can come sit back and watch World Cup with me next year, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, sir, going on, you see me, I say, blessed love, you see. Sunrise, enough love, you know. Blessed, you see me, I say.
See it there?
Yeah, man. You
And
see?
you that.
Yeah, man.
All you need now is cable and your internet and you're gone.
Yeah, man, my cable they're the same way, man.
Oh, you have cable?
Yeah, they're the same way, but the internet now, a minor thing, man, because Cranberry just run the Wi-Fi, you know.
Yeah. So you connect now. Pay Chelsea.
You see me, I say.
Chelsea Blue.
Full blue. Whoa. Yeah, man. You see me, I say.
Large,
Blue City. You see me, I say. Yeah, man.
See
Sunrise. Love for you, know. Man, thank you very much. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Blessed love. Yeah, man. 42, you know. Can't see them watch.
43.
Yeah, 43.
Yeah.
Man.
Whoa, you know.
Yeah, blessed love, you know. Blessed love, Sunrise. Love my people, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, guys, so see there.
Yeah.
As I'm telling you, say, this was winning to a raffle.
Yeah.
And someone was donating it to me. So at the time, you know, wow chef don't have any TV beside it. No, man. We keep it to wow chef. You know, because we never had the TV at the time. And now, see there now. You can watch him Chelsea Blue.
Yeah, man, full blue, man. Catch Italy and make it a blue straight, you know. See me, I say, Sunrise. You know. You see me, I say, two art, them, you know. Blessed love of people. Love on you know.
Alright, then, guys. So, you know, you think there's nothing but love and love and love, you know. Big up every time. Dream team, one team. Blessed love, guys.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.